Welcome to the world of YouTube, where dreams are made, passions are shared, and new stars are born every minute. You're here because you have a story to tell, a message to share, and we're here to help you do it. Building a successful YouTube channel isn't just about creating great content. It's about growing an engaged and loyal audience. But how do you increase your subscriber count in a short time? Start by creating content that resonates with your viewers. Understand their interests, their needs, their passions. Next, consistency is key. Regularly upload high-quality videos. Remember, quality trumps quantity every time. Engage with your community. Respond to comments, create polls, ask for feedback. The more you interact, the more your viewers will feel connected to you, and the more likely they are to subscribe. Finally, don't forget to promote your channel. Share your videos on social media, collaborate with other YouTubers, use SEO-friendly tags and descriptions. Remember, growing your YouTube channel is a journey, not a destination. It may take time, but with persistence, creativity, and a little bit of strategy, you'll see your subscriber count rise and start earning from your passion. And that's your 60 seconds of YouTube wisdom. Until next time, keep creating, keep sharing, and keep growing.